Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. We'll learn how to install AMD Graphics Driver on your Windows 10 computer or Windows 11. So it's a pretty straightforward process, and you just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. Now once the device manager is opened, at the left hand side you will find the display adapters, and you will also look for processors right here, and you will find your version of AMD processor, and from there also you can check which graphics driver, which processor you're using, and according to that you can install the AMD graphics driver. So you need to look at the two things, the display adapters and the processors. Once you are done, just need to open your favorite browser and then you need to type download AMD graphics driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's say if I'm typing for Windows 10, I'll just hit enter. So here you will find AMD drivers and support, and I just click on that. And here you need to look for your product. Whatever you have checked from here, you just need to check right here. So you can select from graphics, or you can go to the processor, and then you can select what exactly you have. So let's say if I had AMD Ryzen 9 desktop processor, and let's say if I had a 3900 XT, I'll just click on that, and here we go, we have Windows 11 64-bit, and we have this Windows 10 as well. So with this software, we will be able to download the graphics as well, because this AMD Ryzen Master not only contains the chipset driver, it also contains the graphics driver. Alright, same with graphics driver as well, and you can check which graphics driver you have, and then you can download according to that. So there is one more thing through which you can download, is to auto detect graphics driver, and for that you just need to type AMD auto detect down. This is the thing which you need to type and hit enter, and please make sure you do not go anything apart from this AMD.com. So you should always visit AMD.com, nothing else, not any from the right side, not from any ad results. Always go for the AMD.com. So it says auto detect and install Radeon, so I'll click on that, and then we need to download how to get drivers using the AMD driver auto detect tool. I'll click on that, and then I'll simply scroll it down, and it will show you how exactly we can download the graphics driver automatically through AMD software. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.